Welcome to Shine with Rita. Have you ever wondered how students speak in an English classroom? Today, let's learn real classroom English with Aparna Ma'am, Anil, and Sima. Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Are you ready? Let's begin. The school bell is ringing. Listen carefully. Now repeat after Anil. The bell is ringing. Very good. Now repeat after Seema. Come on, let's go to the class. Excellent. Now greet your teacher. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, children. Let's answer together. How are you today? We are fine. Attendance. Anil, present, ma'am. Seema, present, ma'am. Great. Oh, someone is at the door. It's Aparajita. Let's listen to what happens. May I come in, ma'am? I'm sorry, ma'am. Why are you late? I missed the school bus. Please take your seat. Now, your turn. Read along smartly. Can you answer? Did you do your homework? Yes, ma'am. Please show me your notebook. Here it is, ma'am. Excellent work. Keep it up. Let's practice. Open your English book. Open page 20. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Fantastic. Listen carefully. Now read with Anil. Anil, please read aloud. Today we are learning English. I like my school. I enjoy reading. Wonderful, Anil. Seema, it's your turn. Take out your notebook, students. Write today's date. Write 3 sentences about yourself. Write neatly. Very good. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Repeat after Seema. May I ask a question, teacher? Of course. What does careful mean? It means to do something safely. Very good. Excellent work. Today you learned many useful classroom sentences. Keep practicing English every day. What do you say when your teacher says good morning? A. Hello. B option. Good morning, ma'am. C. Good night. Type A, B or C in the comments. like and share this video, and subscribe at Shine with Rita. Repeat with me the sentence of the day. Practice English every day. Excellent. See you in the next class. Smile and laugh, and bye.